Imagine a world where your online orders reach you within minutes, not days. No traffic, no delays, just seamless, airborne delivery right to your doorstep. Welcome to the future, where drones are revolutionizing the delivery industry. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are now transforming the logistics and delivery landscape. What used to take hours or days by road can now be achieved in minutes, drastically cutting delivery times. Not only are drone deliveries faster, but they're also more environmentally friendly. Powered by electric batteries, drones significantly reduce the carbon footprint compared to traditional delivery trucks. This shift aligns with the need for sustainable practices in logistics, especially in urban areas where traffic congestion and pollution are major concerns. One of the key advantages of drone delivery is its ability to reach difficult or remote locations. Whether it's a rural community or a bustling city center, drones can bypass roadblocks and congested streets, ensuring swift delivery even in areas with limited infrastructure. How does it work? Drones are dispatched from local fulfillment centers where packages are loaded and prepped. Using GPS navigation and AI-powered systems, drones autonomously fly to their destinations, avoiding obstacles along the way. The result? Safe and timely delivery, every time. Drones aren't just for consumer goods. They're making a real impact in critical areas like healthcare. In remote or disaster-hit regions, drones can deliver life-saving medicines, vaccines, and even blood supplies. This technology is closing gaps in access to essential services, proving that drones are more than just a convenience, they're a lifeline. From e-commerce to medical supplies, drones are changing the game for delivery services. As regulations evolve and technology improves, we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. The sky is no longer the limit, drones are here, and they're set to redefine how we think about delivery.